A new category has been added to this year's staging of the CR Manchester City Road Race, while a more challenging route has been mapped out for a returning group. The event is set for this Sunday and will take place in Mandeville, Manchester. Courtney Morgan tells us more.
The event, which is the brainchild of Custis of Manchester Garfield Green, saw just over 500 participants for its inaugural staging 4 years ago and over 800 last year. With its growing popularity and the addition of a new category, organizers are anticipating the number of participants to exceed 1,000 this time around.
In the past, we have had run, walk, and cycle races. So we are happy to say that this year we'll be having wheelchair athletes from the Jamaica Paralympics Association participating in the races as well.
For cyclists seeking a more challenging experience, the organizers have been listening.
They will go from Brooks Park, down Ward Avenue, down Caledonia Road, onto New Green Road, up to New Green Roundabout, then they'll go back up Winston Jones Highway, turn back onto Ward Avenue and finish back at Brooks Park.
The organizers say all medical and safety requirements will be in place on race day. Physiotherapist at the Southern Regional Health Authority, Denzel Williams, will be managing some of those logistical issues on the day.
For those who are coming that may not be aware of Mandeville, we can promise you that when you come to Brooks Park, you will be guided again on the morning. Not only, but you will have persons who are ahead of you that you can also get that guidance from. We will have persons on the route to say turn left, turn right. You'll be guided. So rest assured, you'll be safe, you'll be guided, and at the same time, you'll have fun.
Nurse manager at the renal unit at the Mandeville Regional Hospital, Marika Davis Miller, wants everyone to support the event because...
So the funds raised will provide critical support for the renal unit, helping patients who depend on life-saving dialysis. So these patients, their kidneys no longer work. So they rely on machines to clean their blood for them. So they need the dialysis. I was going to say, or they will die. It also will strengthen the heme oncology unit, where patients are bravely battling blood disorders, and of course, cancer.
Races are scheduled to start at 7 o'clock Sunday morning and will start and end at Brooks Park along Wint Road. British High Commissioner to Jamaica, Her Excellency Alicia Herbert, is this year's patron of the event. Courtney Morgan, TVJ Sports.